How do I turn off my active status on Messenger on Facebook?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to maintain your privacy while using Facebook Messenger. One important feature to know about is the ability to turn off your active status. By doing so, you can use Messenger without appearing as online to your contacts. Let's dive in.
What is active status?
Active status on Facebook Messenger is a feature that shows your friends when you're currently using the app. When your active status is turned on, you'll appear as online to your friends, and they'll know that you're active on Messenger. However, there might be times when you want to browse or chat privately. That's when you would want to turn off your active status.
Turning off active status on desktop.
Let's start with how you can disable your active status if you're using Facebook Messenger on a computer. Here are the steps. 1. Open Facebook Messenger on your computer. 2. Click on the circular avatar in the top left corner. 3. Click Preferences. 4. Under the Preferences, go to Active Status. 5. Here, you will find an option saying, Show when you're active. Click the switch beside it to turn it off. Remember, turning off your active status means you won't be able to see other people's active status either.
Turning off active status on mobile devices.
Now, if you're using the Messenger app on your smartphone, the process is slightly different but just as easy. Here are the steps. 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. 2. Tap your small profile picture in the top left corner. 3. Scroll down to find Active Status under the Privacy section. 4. Just like in the desktop version, there will be an option saying, Show when you're active. Use the switch beside it to turn it off. Again, remember that turning off your active status means you won't be able to see the active status of others. That's it. Now you know how to turn off your active status on Facebook Messenger, whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. Remember, this is a great feature to use if you want to maintain a bit of privacy while using the app. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of social media. Happy browsing!